Bangkok, Thailand, is a fascinating city in Southeast Asia that provides entertainment for all ages. Everyone. Bangkok, sometimes known as the Big Mango, is a significant international hub, home to more than 12 million people. Hello and welcome to Z. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Take a look at this video to learn about 25 of the top things to do in Bangkok. Jump right in and begin discovering this enchanted, delicious, and fascinating city. Wang Lang Market, which is next to Sirarach Hospital, is ranked first. There's a stall that serves deep-fried pork bites that practically melt in your tongue. Another well-known dessert at Wang Lang Market is Nam Tung Tag. The enormous Chattachak Weekend Market comes in at number 2, including more than 5,000 permanent stores, and if you include the hawkers and temporary stalls scattered around the market, the number Chattachak is Thailand's biggest market because it has more than 15,000 sellers. The third place market is Klong Toei Market, Bangkok's hub for fresh produce. The busiest fresh wet market in the heart of Bangkok, with a wide selection of food available for purchase. I'm checking this out. All of the ingredients used in Thai cuisine are accessible. If you check within Klong Toei, there are a few intriguing and incredibly exotic delicacies. The proper locations. Visit a floating market, which you may do on the weekends. There are a couple of them just outside of the city. I'm at a local establishment called the Talat Nam Bang Nam Pheom. Slender floating market. Despite being rather touristy in Thailand, the floating markets in Bangkok are a lovely location to browse leisurely all day while indulging in delicious meals. It's similar to it tastes like a sweet tomato juice, possibly with some papaya thrown in. Fairly good, I guess. Pratunam Market is ranked number 5. One of the busiest markets in Bangkok is Pratunam, Bangkok's wholesale markets. Any trip to Bangkok usually includes a lot of shopping. Likewise, Pratunam Market is known for its wholesale apparel. Sixth on the list is MBK Shopping Center, a massive mall that is like a nation in and of itself. The sixth story is home to a massive food court, electronics, clothing, souvenirs, and more. Not all of the drawings. Or Torkor Market, which ranks 7th, is a premium fresh market that serves the upper class. The produce is only the best, and the aisles are spacious and spotless. In addition, a wide variety of wonderful hawker stalls selling cuisine. Dusit Zoo in Bangkok is ranked 8. I'm at the Dusit Zoo in Bangkok right now, which is the city's primary zoo. In the event that any lions or tigers choose to flee, outside the Dusit Zoo's entrance, there is a good assortment of street cuisine to choose from. As you flee for your life, distract them. Lumpini Park, which is situated immediately north of the Siloam neighborhood, is number 9 on the list. This area is surrounded by huge buildings, but it feels like a haven of greenery. Excellent if you want to go running, but I'm simply having a stroll and eating today, not running. Icy dessert. Lumpini Park is a peaceful haven away from Bangkok's hectic pace, where monitor lizards and crows live. The evening public aerobic dance classes are not to be missed. 10th on the list is getting a Thai massage. When visiting Bangkok, you must indulge in an authentic Thai massage. My body is already beginning to regenerate. I will go ahead and a brief nap. Despite the fact that a Thai massage might be extremely unpleasant, you can always request a gentle touch from the masseuse. The Grand Palace and Wat Phra Kaew are in Bangkok's downtown and are ranked 11th. I'm in front of Bangkok's Royal Palace, and Wat Phra is one of the most popular renowned landmarks in Bangkok. I've been there before, therefore I won't be returning to enter today, but unquestionably, if you visit Bangkok, you must see the majestic Wat Phra, known as the palace. It's one of Thailand's most revered locations, and one of Bangkok's most well-known landmarks. In the event that a tuk-tuk driver approaches you and instead, walk yourself because the palace is possibly a fraud and is closed for the day. To enter through the main entrance gate, I will now enter the Buddha that is lying down. 12 is directly behind the Grand Palace. The Golden Buddha is located in Wat Pho, famous for being the birthplace of Wat Pho of the ancient Thai massage. The Dawn Temple, Wat Arun, is located at position 13. Therefore, crossing just costs 3 baht. One of the coolest temples along the Chao Phraya River is Wat Arun, where we are going next. The temples in Bangkok. The intricate intricacies in the sculpture and the arduous ascent to the top level. Some of the key attractions of visiting Wat Arun are the temple. It's unquestionably not. It's nearly like scaling a ladder, so if you're terrified of heights, it might not be the best choice for you. It's a beautiful view from up here. Wat Saket, popularly referred to as the Golden Mountain, is temple number 14. The Wat Saket, which is Bangkok's Golden Mountain, is referred to as Pu Khao Tong, or the Golden Mountain. That trio, it takes only 5 to 10 minutes to ascend the 118 stairs to the top, and your little work results in amazing panoramic views of Bangkok. The Erawan Museum, known for its 3-headed elephant, is located at number 15. Inside the spectacular museum, 3-heads elephant is surrounded by lovely gardens. The facility is immaculately maintained and is the ideal location for a quiet stroll. The Vimenmeg Mansion is at number 16. It is the biggest golden teak residence in the world. Unfortunately, although they don't permit it inside, we can still take pictures from the outside. It took approximately 30 minutes to complete the tour, and the interior is incredibly unique and magnificent. See, Khao San Road is the 17th best street for dining, shopping, and entertainment. I am in Bangkok, Thailand. Khao San Road serves as the primary destination for travelers. Victory Monument in Thailand's Bangkok. Victory Monument is located at position 19. Since then, Bangkok's transit center, the circle is crowded with eateries, shops, and entertainment. Don't skip a dinner at the row of canal-side eateries known as Boat Noodle Alley. Bowls of pure porky deliciousness are served nearby the Victory Monument. Durian fruit is item number 20. Although its meat is delicious, its spiky and frightening shell is made using a variety of tropical fruits and vegetables as well as tangy lime juice. Incredibly mouth-watering, Bangkok is regarded as one of the best cities in the world for dining. You won't be disappointed with food repute. Fine dining establishments are wonderful, but in my opinion, the family-run taverns in the walls and the street-side booths are what serve the finest Thai food. Your taste buds will be delighted and your smile will be maintained by a Thai meal in front of you. Enrolling in a Thai cooking class is one way to bring the incredible variety of Thai flavors home. Cookery School, which is ranked number 22. There are numerous options available, from culinary arts colleges to motherly-style home cooking classes. Usually a cooking lesson will involve a trip to a nearby wet market and the preparation of a predetermined meal of a wide variety of foods. You will be able to consume anything you prepare, so don't worry. This is the taste that will make the green curry we're about to make great. I'm planning to purchase some of these items at the market. Pahurit, a tiny piece of India, is located near Yaowarat Chinatown at number 23. Inside Bangkok's downtown. This place sells apparel, tea, and chapatis in addition to fabric. Location with a concentration of shops. I travel to investigate the blending of civilizations, and of course to eat food from India, Bangladesh, and Burma. Give me a platter after I dip it in the sauce first. I'm glad about this. Number 24 is the historic Pak Klong Talad, or Bangkok's Central Flower Market. I'm at Bangkok's renowned flower market, Pak Klong Talad. People visit to shop everything from religious flowers to gifts for their specific loved ones and relevance in culture. The sea of vividly colored blossoms has a captivating quality. Last but not least, Yaowarat, Bangkok's bustling and constantly active district, comes in at number 25. Chinatown. Chinese medicine distributors, lottery ticket sellers, gold shops, and specialty food outlets, all marketplaces contribute to the mix. When night falls in Yaourt, seafood eateries and street food take charge and continue to serve into the early hours of the morning. This is known as kwai jab, and it's in a soup that's composed entirely of pig parts. Yaourt also has Samping Market. Is a crazy busy shopper's paradise with an unimaginable selection of trinkets. Consequently, whether you decide to embark on a shopping binge, a street food pilgrimage, a quiet the sweltering hot capital of Thailand is perhaps the best place to go on a temple tour or to a cultural museum. Is complete. I'm Mark Waynes, and I just wanted to say thanks to everyone who saw the video. If you liked it, don't forget to quickly give it a thumbs up and to leave a comment. Please comment here with your thoughts on Bangkok. I'd like to talk to you. To ensure you don't miss the next, don't forget to click the big red subscribe button. Movies of travel and street food. Last but not least, just after this video in the description there are several links in the box. Click those links to access a wealth of other useful information regarding a trip to Bangkok. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.